So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when you're playing Among Us and it says 6 pings that remote has not responded to and it just disconnects you from the game. So how you can fix this? In order to do this, what you have to do is get over to your desktop and then right click on your task taskbar and then click on task manager. Now from here go over to your performance tab and then click on open resource monitor. Here you'll see this network button, just click on this arrow button and then here you'll see all the process which are consuming your internet. So I will suggest you to close everything which is not useful for you right now. So just close it and make sure you do not close your Among Us. Then make hopefully your problem solves, and if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.